Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to delete and redo floors in just a few minutes? I will show you a quick method to get it right on your first try. Let's get started. Part 1. Deleting a floor. Enter the Design tool. Click the drop-down arrow of Current Floor in the Attribute panel on the right. Move the mouse to the desired floor and click the Delete button. Then click Confirm in the pop-up panel to delete the floor. The first floor serves as the base floor and cannot be deleted. However, you can switch first floor to the current floor, then move the mouse to the top of the screen and click Clear, followed by All. You will find all contents in the tool have been cleared. Part 2. Redo a floor. If you want to restore a deleted floor, click Redo in the Floor Attribute panel on the right. Then click Confirm in the pop-up panel to recover the most recently deleted floor. When deleting floors, only one floor can be restored at a time, and floors can be recovered one by one. Floors will be inserted back into their original positions in the order of deletion. The corresponding floors at those positions will not be replaced. Floors above ground will move upward, and floors below ground will move downward. That's all. Thanks for watching.